So I'm here today at Dunstall Castle with the CUPRA Formentor. I'll spare you any contrived analogies about the contrast between classic and contemporary and any tenuous anecdotes regarding feats of engineering. All the pieces are there, you can put it together yourselves. But this is a genuinely interesting car and it has all of the hallmarks of something properly exciting. First of all, it is the first standalone, or should I say, was the first standalone model in the enthusiast-centric CUPRA sub-brand. And while style is obviously a subjective matter, it does look absolutely superb. Prices start at a very reasonable £29,880 for a conventionally powered 1.5 litre petrol. But the car I've got behind me is probably the most interesting from a technological perspective because it is the e-hybrid, and we're going to explore a little bit about what that means and what the car's like to drive and live with throughout the course of this video. My name is Alex Jaskowski and this is the CUPRA Formentor. So often with plug-in hybrids, the purported EV range is way above what you actually end up getting in the real world. But with the Formentor e-hybrid, it's actually pretty accurate. The EV-only range is genuinely impressive, and it'll happily sit at motorway speeds in electric-only mode without you even realizing for extended periods of time. Even once you've depleted the Formentor's hybrid batteries, it'll still work as a self-charging hybrid. It's constantly recuperating energy through regenerative braking. So it'll always be able to augment the petrol engine's power to find the most efficient way possible of getting you to your destination. So despite the additional weight that you invariably get with electric motors and batteries and everything that accompanies it, lateral performance is actually genuinely impressive. There's really good chassis control, turn-in is pretty sharp and accurate when you consider the platform. And I do feel as though the overall general handling characteristics do the sporty styling justice. So obviously one of the main benefits of running a plug-in hybrid is improved efficiency, but one of the other arguably more exciting byproducts is performance. So the nature of the power delivery from an electric motor is obviously completely different to that of an internal combustion engine. Whereas an internal combustion engine sort of builds that power as you go up the rev range to a point where you reach peak power and torque output. With an electric motor, that peak power and torque output is absolutely instantaneous from the moment that you put your foot down. So there we have it, the CUPRA Formentor e-hybrid, a car that's ethos of avant-garde design and sheer passion and excitement isn't merely skin deep. If you'd like to experience the Formentor for yourself, then please don't hesitate to contact one of our Listers CUPRA centres that will be on hand to assist you. See you later.